What's up, music creators? With Suno. This is a Suno tutorial. As I can see in Facebook group or Reddit group or the Suno community out there, I found out that some of you has been struggling with creating songs in Suno. Well, I find a way out, and it's based on the system of creating a song in audio. That is another AI generated song platform. But before that, I want to show you how to create good quality lyrics on AI too, just using Gemini, the Google AI chatbot. So here's the deal. We open up Gemini, and you want to put this prompt in the description. Let's see. Create the lyrics of a 1980s hair metal song. That some can be called Level 3 Jacket. Be super creative and original. This comes very important thing. I have to create a banned words list, and this preventing to Gemini come up with very cheesy lines, just like neon light, neon glow, neon glow early in the street of the corner street, or very cheesy lines like that. So a good way to avoid Gemini or ChatGPT to come up with it very classic lyrics is create an event list or a list of banned words or words you don't want to get come up with in your song, just like the ones you see here. So let's try to recreate this. You can use any style you want. I'm gonna use the hair metal topic because it's my favorite one. But you can use whatever you want. You want to create a rap song or a 60 soul, then go ahead, just put it in there. Um, it works in every style. Let's kind of change the subject here, and it's gonna say, let's see, something very epic. This part is not necessary, but I'm gonna choose delete that just in case you don't need. Okay, use short parses, short parses only, and don't start the song or lyric with in the. You want to avoid this. Let's see what it comes with. I'm gonna call this Deadly Tango. Crash leaders. Alright. It's using too much this little things. Another banned word is litter. Letter. Raisin rain. Silly green. Midnight heat. Shadow sleep. Stilettos there. Heart ablaze. They ain't no what. A twisted maze. Deadly tango, kiss the play. Deadly tango, kiss the play. When bro, stab, you're so betrayed. Alright, that's me being a rock star. I don't know if it's good or not. Well, anyway, I have time to practice myself. still, let's try to give it a pretty chorus. Insert after the first verse and before the chorus. Alright. Bloodshot beat started well. The ain't no love song gonna fail. Alright, sounds cool. Now let's pick up our style or main style. So this style picking up is very important. It's the very first step you have to create because as you may know, once you extend the song, it's gonna be the continue or the next part of the song. So it's gonna be consistent in the genre. You know what I'm saying? Well, I'm gonna resume for you. It's basically it's the style you're gonna use in the whole song. All right. So as you may know, or you may notice with my name, I love hard rock in the 80s, so I'm gonna choose 80s hair metal song style. I'm gonna call this Deadly Tango. Here comes the magic. Metatags. You want to put this metatag first. Intro solo. So intro solo is gonna just put the intro solo of the song. But hey, let's try this out. Vigorous intro solo. Let's see. Now check it out first. I have 830 credits in the beginning of the song. Just you can see how much credit I can spend in a song. All right, let's see what we got. Nah, I don't like this. Okay, let's try Epic. Yeah, Epic intro solo, it most of the time comes with a masterpiece. Let's hope it's this turn. It's curious. Never find out why the heck all the covers of instrumental Suno songs come up with a bird, but it's the logo of one of the programs they use to create Suno. All right, let's load in. Cool. I like it. I like it. I like that too. Cool. All right, this is a hard one. This is a hard decision. It's a hard decision right there. Alright, I'm gonna pick up this. Have to. Yes, from minutes 0.7, yes, seconds 17. Extend from here, then the rest of the song will have the exact same rhythm as this one have. So first thing you have to create is the intro, then the part two gotta be the verse one, and then the other part of the songs, goes pre-chorus, then part three, verse two, and vice versa. And that's it. I'm gonna straight up the process, and I'll let you listen to the full song. Alright, guys, I just make the song, and as you can see, it consists of 6 to 7 parts, which all other part of the songs, just like chorus, uh, verse two. I think part four is the solo, and parts five to part six are the outro, and part seven is the end. So here's the full song. By the way, if you want to finish the song, you just click here to get the whole song, and it's gonna mix all the parts together to come up with a full song. So here's, guys, is the final part. This is it. This is the song I created for this tutorial. I'm not gonna publish on YouTube the original song, it's just a test song. So here it is. Part two sounding. Part three. Part three your soul's betrayed. Twisted rhythm of fatal grace. This dance of darkness, a deadness, a deadly ray. Smoking mirrors, chrome desire. She moves like flames, sets hearts afire. Crimson lips, a wicked grin. This tango's tango, a deadly sin. Whispers, secrets of old. Well, that's it. That was a song that I made, and with this method. And as you can see, I only spent 100 of credits. This will be insanely uh, more and more and more credits spent with the traditional way because sometimes it comes with pretty bad quality songs, and sometimes it comes with a good piece of art but inconclusive. It cuts in the best part of the song because it reached the 2 minutes length. With this method, you can create even more and more larger songs. So, hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you like this, hit the like button, subscribe, and share, man. Make me famous. No, I'm just kidding. See you later, guys. Keep rocking.